welcome to yoga time. Hey Bonkers, how are you doing today? You excited to do some more animal poses? Alright, this is one of my favorite because it's a little bit tricky. And I like things that are a little bit tricky because it means I'm learning, it means I'm getting stronger, and it means I'm growing. So I wonder if you can guess what it is. Are you ready? All winter he's sleeping and sucking his paws. He looks very cute in the cave where he snores. But he's not a teddy, so please be aware. If you meet a grizzly, big, brown, what do you think it is? It's a bear, that's right. Okay, so how we're gonna start this pose is we're gonna sit with our feet together just like this, and we're gonna have our arms inside our knees. We don't want them outside our knees because it's gonna be a bit too hard. So if you put your arms inside your knees, then you're gonna grab onto your feet like this. Now, if we're just starting out with this pose, all we wanna try to do is just lift our heels off the mat, just a little bit. Maybe just a bit like this. Now, if you're finding that tricky, find something to focus on, like the corner of your yoga mat, or maybe even a flick of dust on the ground. So you get focused with your eyes, and then once you're feeling calm, you very gently lift off your feet. Now, if you're feeling really confident with that, we're gonna raise our feet just a little bit more because the aim is we're gonna try to straighten our legs out. All right, let's see if we can go a little bit higher. Taking a deep breath in and straightening our legs just a little bit more. Oh, now if you're balancing, that's awesome. But if you're finding that you're falling backwards, just come back down to here. Only go so far as you're comfortable. All right, for those of you who want an extra challenge, let's see if we can go the whole way. All right, are we ready? Don't forget to breathe. Breathing in. And we're gonna straighten our legs up, 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 up. Oh, are you doing it? Excellent job, guys. Really feel all of those tummy muscles nice and strong and your legs as well. Whoa. How'd you go, Bonkers? Did you feel like that was awesome? I think you did a great job too.